Black Friday is upon us, and in a world where everything keeps getting more expensive, I'm happy to say that a lot of the stuff I've got for you is officially cheaper than ever this year. We've got everything from full-size solar panels, whole home backup solutions, 48-volt batteries, portable power stations, and even sweet deals on Starlink Internet. I'll have links to everything down in the description, as well as QR codes on the screen so you can scan them if you're watching on TV. And I'll also be listing coupon codes for any of this stuff that stack on top of the sale price down in the description. Some of these deals are insane. I can't wait to show you. I've got stuff from Payoff Solar. Now this first one is probably the best deal out there. But unfortunately, you've got to either live near Utah or be coming through Utah or traveling or something to take advantage of the full cost saving. The Payoff Solar will send these panels anywhere in the country, but you got to pay a huge amount of shipping. Panels are heavy. If you go pick them up directly, you can save a ton of money. Like, check this out. 450 watt bifacial panel with my coupon code TRICK5, 94 bucks. I mean, come on. How are you going to beat that? It's just insane, awesome prices. Now, something that can be shipped to you, no matter where you live, is EG4 stuff. So over here on the left, I've got my order summary from Payoff Solar. If you were to get an EG4 12000 XP, plus the indoor wall mount battery, plus the conduit box, plus the charge verter, the subtotal would be $6,792.50. Then I got a coupon code, TRICK5, that knocks over 350 bucks off. Shipping is the best news of all, $9.99 for a grand total of $6,802.49. Contrast that with Signature Solar over here. Same stuff, 12,000 XP, indoor wall mount battery, indoor conduit box, charge verter, subtotal $6,665.29. This is including the current Black Friday sales that are going on. Shipping adds an extra 250 bucks to that. I found a coupon code that you can apply. That takes 50 bucks off, and then they charge you an incredible boatload of tax for a grand total of $7,358.12. So you can see that you can save multiples of hundreds of dollars going with Payoff Solar versus Signature Solar. Now, if you can't take advantage of the deals from Payoff Solar, next best thing are these Callsun solar panels from Amazon. This is the 400 watt package. So it's two 200 watt solar panels. And you can see that for that whole kit shipped to your door, $279.38. Starlink Mini is on a smoking deal at Home Depot, $229 for the dish. Now, if you haven't seen any of my videos about standby mode, check those out. But if you get just 1 month of standard high-speed service, it can be the cheapest one, like the 50 gig plan. After that, you can go into standby mode. That's only $5 a month, and it works to do navigation, to do phone calls, to do text messages, to even do video calls, even light streaming, web browsing, emails. All of that works still, just at throttled speeds, for only $5 a month. So for camping, for backup internet service, for emergency preparedness and communication, you really can't beat this deal. And on the heels of that, there's this awesome battery from PeakDo that slots in and makes the unit all one compact, wire-free, easy-to-use unit. You can kind of see a picture of it right here. I use this term lightly on my YouTube channel, but this is truly a game changer for being able to use your Starlink Mini on the go. And I got a coupon code that will take this price down to $151.05, so be sure and check that out in the description. Last Starlink item, this awesome silicone jacket for the Starlink Mini. It just helps keep it safe and protected, and is on sale for a very affordable $22.49. 48-volt golf cart batteries. You know that I love these things and use them on a lot of different projects. Fantastic news, it's on sale for Black Friday, and it's the whole kit, right? So it comes with the battery, which has Bluetooth built in, the really nice screen, as well as the super nice charger. I've made a variety of videos using batteries like this, and they're so versatile. So be sure and check out the channel to see how I've used these. But if you use the code BLACKDEAL, and that's going to be, again, down in the description, you can knock this price down from $750 down to $712.50. So nice discount, almost below 700 bucks. And so you're basically getting the capacity of a server rack battery, plus a monitoring screen, plus a super nice charger for basically the same price or less than most server rack batteries. And you can see with the application of that code 71250. And speaking of batteries, I've got a smoking deal on the new server rack battery from WattCycle. $699.99 listed price, but if you use my code TRICK from down in the description, it's going to knock this price down to $671.37. Now that is a deal. For 12 volt battery lovers out there, one of my favorite 12 volt batteries currently available is the Redodo 12.8 volt 165 amp hour model right here. Already it's on sale, but I've got a mega coupon code that takes 10% off on top of that, bringing you down to 261 bucks. If you need a 12 volt battery, this is definitely one to take advantage of. EcoFlow. I just saw this deal and figured I'd throw it out there. This is for the Delta 2, so the previous generation from what has come out recently. But as a result, it's getting pretty darn cheap, $349. And the Delta 2 Max, not far behind at $899. So if you're not worried about being on the bleeding edge of the latest technology, you can save quite a bit of money going with this previous generation. Bluetti Apex 300. This thing's a beast, and you've seen recent videos featuring it. 1,300 bucks for almost 4,000 watt inverter and almost 3,000 watt hour battery capacity. And this can do stuff that no other power station does to manage the power coming in, power coming out. Anyway, check out my full review on it. It's definitely the most capable power station I've ever tested and my favorite one on the market right now. Anker F2000, $799. Not too shabby for a very capable unit. I just finished a video about this MaxPeedingRods 4,000 watt dual fuel inverter generator. It is so awesome. I totally love the thing, and it's on sale for a great $769.99. This is going back a little ways now in the archives, but one of the most popular products that I've ever tested on the channel is actually these lithium iron phosphate UPS units from GoldenMate. And since I made those videos, they've come out with even more capable ones that have more power. They have the ability to shut computers down or servers down. They even have an online UPS now, which is super sweet. Hopefully I get my hands on some of these new ones and can test them officially, but I have 2 of these and they've never let me down, and they've gone through 3 power surges that I'm aware of and at least 6 power outages, and I've never had a single hiccup. Be sure to use the code Black Friday to save as much money as possible on these units. This is something that's not very exciting, but it's something that we all need. And if you build your collection out, it can actually save you a ton of money. And that is rechargeable, AA batteries, AAAs, etc. This kit from EBL that I tested a while ago is on a really good sale and includes a whole bunch of batteries, as you can see, plus this super nice charger. So if you can flush out your battery collection with rechargeable batteries, it actually saves you quite a bit of money in the long run because you get way more cycles out of the rechargeable batteries versus the disposable ones. Smart motorized shades. This is one of those things that I didn't realize I needed in my life until I got it, and then I was like, wow, where has this been all this time? I always tell people maybe just start with 1, 2, 3 shades on windows that you're either constantly opening and closing every single day, or they're hard to read, or something like that, and just test them and see if you agree that you wish you'd had them sooner. But if you use my coupon code TRICK15, that's going to give you a global 15% off regardless of the order value. So definitely take advantage of that. They're very, very nice. I have one honorable mention here. The price has not changed due to Black Friday, but a very popular thing from the channel, and that's these portable solar stands. They're so sweet, as you can see here in this picture, to create a semi-permanent solar installation without digging a bunch of holes, pouring footings, or anything like that. And then if you move, you can just fold them up and take them with you and reestablish your solar array somewhere else. They've really revolutionized my ground mount solar panels, so worth checking out. Again, not on sale. This is just an honorable mention here at the end. And last but not least, we've got the Meross smart home devices. They've got already some really good pricing right now, but if you use my coupon code, it's JEJA10. That'll be down in the description. You can save even more off very capable smart home devices, and these can be utilized in a variety of different ways to save power, save money, optimize things for solar, etc. So definitely check it out. Okay guys, comment below if you pick up any of these deals. and let people know if you've got other sweet deals surrounding this kind of stuff, so we can all be made aware and try to cash in on the sale time to make our money stretch further. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hype. I got more great stuff coming up. That's more of my usual programming, so stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss it.